are thinking about the how to write my date, how to choose week, day, and different files in a HTML, and this is the 1 minute video you can learn anything about different type of file in HTML. So here it goes. Date, I can choose date. I can also choose month. Look, here only choose the month. Isn't it cool? Also week. Isn't it cool? Look, week. Password. Only in the password type. Look, I can also see here. So in this, there were so many different types of and email. In this way, you can change the type and you will find out what exactly you. Oh, you will also need a file to upload in the website. Just type file. You can load the choose a file from your local storage. And this way you can do. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.